You scared me. Go on, try to get past me.
That sucks.
This is a marathon, not a sprint.
Yeah!
And I'm gonna stand here and make cakes until all the time is up.
Oh my God.
Come on, Duff.
Nice.
Yeah. All right. This week, we have to make a cake for Golf and Stuff, a mini golf cake, and you actually have to be able to play it.
So you guys think you can make me some super fun cakes?
I like that.
Yes. I want to sort of take mini golf and kind of elevate it a little bit. We're going to be able to hit a golf ball, go into a lighthouse, up to the top, down a ramp, into the mouth of a pelican, out the pelican's butt, into the blowhole of a whale, and then into a shark's mouth, and he's going to chomp the ball, and that's it. Game over. Let's get him, all right?
All right, guys. Why not make a Carlo's Bakery themed golf hole?
I love this.
Can we make a buddy?
A giant life-size me? Hell yeah. Our plan is to do a whole Carlo's Bakery backdrop and then a ton of cakes. I'm excited about this.
I like the scary chomp. What's a mini golf without a little fright? There's a lot of weight with all of the chocolate that's going on the structure. That's gonna make the closing the mouth really complicated.
Jeff is coming up with a system where when the ball rolls into it, it pushes these two together. That makes a connection. The connection will then make the actuator pull the tripwire out, and then we get the chomp.
Oh my God.
Just want to be done.
So I can put chocolate on it.
I'm going to be making the big golf club swinging buddy cake. There's styrofoam and wood and electronics. My goodness, there is also going to be a lot of cake. A little bit of the most important ingredient of all, love. This is kind of a fun sculpture. It doesn't have a lot of hyper-realistic detail or anything like that, but it has kind of a Hanna-Barbera sort of feel. Who are you looking at?
And then we cram it. And cram it.
Cram it.
Cram it.
Cram it. Cram it.
Oh, whoops, one down.
Drop it.
Drop it. Sometimes you drop it.
The lighthouse is really tall, and so we got to put this cake in there. We got to make sure it stays.
No, that piece, get it into the cold ASAP.
All right. When it's cold, the cake's fine, but when it starts getting too warm, that's when bad things happen. It is all jiggling out. This cake could fall apart.
I'm not trying to.
That sucks.
Stop it! You almost broke our sculpture.
Me and my team, what do we make best? Cakes. Tiered cakes, round cakes, square cakes, just cakes and cakes and cakes. There's gotta be cakes everywhere. Boss lady, you happy with this?
Oh yeah, it's cute. And it's done.
I feel like if you're like just eating the cake that you haven't even decorated yet in a time competition, you're probably not in a good place. I know it looks awful, and it is. I don't want to be in this situation, but we do know how to fix it. We're gonna pull all this out, then we're gonna take cereal treats and redo this section here.
Oh my gosh, it's perfect.
So we just finished our cake, still think it looks pretty amazing, so let's get it over there.
So we just finished all the mini golf stuff. We planned on about 15 to 18 cakes. We did 26. It is gonna turn into Carl's Bakery. I'm so excited.
I can't wait to see this all together.
Michelle, would you like to play our hole?
Yeah.
Oh, through. Yeah.
Denied! All right, Michelle, you want to play?
This looks fun. Oh, I hear it. Oh.
Wait for it.
Cold start.